Hello everyone, this is Ranjan Nagar here. Today I am going to introduce you with the world healthiest water, that is Kangen water, which means return to origin. Kangen water is the product of an Energic company, which is Japanese product, and it is changing the lives of an individual since 1974. As we all know that we were born alkaline and our body is 70% of water, as you can see here, blood, liver, kidney, muscle, heart, lungs, and so on. Right? Kangen water gives you 7 types of water. As you can see here, it is present here. 9, 9.5, 8.5 are for drinking and cooking. 7 pH is for medication. 4.5 and 6 pH is for hair treatments and toner. 2.5 is a sanitizer and 11.5 helps in emulsification. Now we come to our first property, that is antioxidant. For that we must understand what oxidation is. Oxidation is the process of aging that is also responsible for many diseases. Suppose I give you an example of an apple. If I cut an apple in 2 parts and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, what will happen? It will turn into brownish color. Do you know why? It happens because as it comes in the contact with the air, it starts getting oxidized. Same thing happens with our body. So we can say that the thing which gives us life is also responsible for our slow degradation of our body. We read to reduce the speed of oxidation, we require antioxidant, and we get antioxidant from green tea, cod liver oil, fresh fruits and vegetables, and Kangen water. For this I'm taking RO water, second is Kinley. This is representing all type of packaged drinking water. Third, I'm taking soda water, soda. This is representing all type of cold drinks and other beverages. And third is Kangen 9.5. To measure antioxidant, I'm taking ORP meter, and ORP stands for oxidation reduction potential. Antioxidant is measured in terms of minus millivolt. If it comes in minus, it is good for your health, and it comes in plus, then it is dangerous for your health. So this is RO water. This is Kinley. This is Sprite. And this is Kangen water, which is giving the reading more than 500. Minus is helpful for our body because to run our body cells we require minus 25 millivolts, and to generate new cells we require minus 50 millivolts. Now we come to our second property, that is alkalization. For this, alkalization is the process that lowers the amount of acid in our body. According to Otto Heinrich Warburg, he discovered the real causes of cancer. In 1931, he got the Nobel Prize for it because he said the real causes of cancer are acidosis and hypoxia. Acidosis means increase of acid in our body, which is also responsible for the reduction of nutrients and minerals from our body. And hypoxia means lack of oxygen. But further he described that cancerous tissues are acidic and healthy tissues are alkaline. For this, I am taking pH indicator. I am pouring this few drops of it in each and every drink. As you can see, RO water. This is 5 to 6 pH. Second is Kinley, that we buy it from the market. It is also 6 pH. acidic. This is soda. This is highly acidic, 2.5. All toilet cleaners are based on this pH only. And this is Kangen water, 9.5. This is 9.5. Here 7 is neutral and lower than this is acidic and bigger than this is alkaline. Done. The property of this microcluster, I am taking this green tea in which I will take RO water to make this. Have you seen any differences? Now the same procedure I am going to do with the Kangen water. This is the power of a Kangen water. Within a second it has absorbed all the extract of the tea. Now one more time we can try this. As you can see, nothing has happened. Now again I am making the tea with Kangen water, 9.5. Can you see the differences? Now my aim is not to show you that it can make the green tea with cold water, but to tell you what water can do. So I'll show you one more thing with an example. This is Mr. A and this is Mr. B. He is taking food and supplements and taking RO water. As you can see, it has reduced the efficiency of the nutrients he has taken. And now the same thing I am doing it with Kangen water, which has increased the efficiency of minerals and nutrients that one has taken. Now turmeric. As we all know that turmeric is antibacterial, antifungus, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancerous. So where all these properties goes as we are consuming it every day? We are consuming turmeric with the RO water. But do you know what is the real color of turmeric? The real color of turmeric is red. This substance is called turmeric. This substance is called curcumin, which gives you the real properties of turmeric. So if you will start consuming turmeric with Kangen water, you will get each and every property that is required for individual to stay healthy. Now I am taking rice to show you how it removes pesticide from the food items. For this I am taking 11.5 and in one vegetable bowl I am taking 11.5 and in one I am taking RO water. Usually we wash our vegetables and food items with normal water, but as you all know that it doesn't remove any pesticide. It just only remove dust present in it. Can you see the difference between two? In this, the rice which I have washed it from RO water, it has removed all the dust present in it, and in Kangen water it has removed the pesticide. I know you don't believe me, but let me show you one thing, that all pesticides are oil based. To break pesticides is not easy. So we usually wash it from RO water, but as we wash our vegetables with Kangen water 11.5, it will break down all the pesticide present in it. Can you see the difference? Now this vegetables I have washed it from Kangen water 11.5. And the other one I have washed it from RO water. See what exactly we were doing and what exactly we were expecting from our water. This all is pesticide. So guys, now be aware of the water, what water can do. So at last I would just like to say that I hope that you live longer, happier and healthier with your family with Kangen water. Thank you.